Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to remove YouTube Shorts feed. So to remove the YouTube Shorts feed, there is no such direct way of doing so, or there is no such direct option to do it so. However, you can go ahead and try this alternative. First of all, going to open up your YouTube application, and this is how it's going to look like. While you're on this page, you have to go ahead and tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and then go ahead and tap on the gear icon in the top right hand side. While you're on this page, go to general, and here you have to scroll down a bit, and you need to go ahead and click on playback and feedback. You just have to go ahead and turn off by tapping on the turn off button, and then head over to your home page. And while you're on the home page, what you have to do is you need to scroll down and locate the shots from the feed page. And when you're on the home page, you have to go to select section and just go ahead and tap on not interested. You have to do this procedure for a long time until all of the videos are removed. When you've done that, you need to exit out of your YouTube and then refresh the application, and you'll have successfully removed YouTube Shorts from the feed. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.